South Dakota. Only an inch or two of snow on the ground, but it's a raging blizzard there tonight, folks, and that's probably going to continue right on into tomorrow. Anywhere from North Dakota into South Dakota and parts of Minnesota, conditions. More snow, actually more than they got along the eastern seaboard. About 6 to 8 inches fell around Indianapolis, enough to make it a winter wonderland, so to speak. Looks like that snow is going away. As I was driving in to work tonight, there is a mountain not too far away from my house, Kennesaw Mountain, north of Atlanta, and on about the top 500 feet of that mountain, it was glazed with ice. But below that, fortunately, where most of the rest of Atlanta is, it did not freeze. So it was real close to a major ice storm right in Atlanta. Just a little bit higher elevation got socked. Now, this is kind of interesting. We have our storm riding up the eastern seaboard, and we expected all this sloppy mess to head right up the coast. Then we have our upper level low, which actually had more snow with it, which tracked parallel to our eastern system and is now moving right on up into the Great Lakes. That was all snow. No sleet or ice associated with this system, all snow, and it started out around Oklahoma City yesterday with about 6, 7 inches, then up through Tulsa, Springfield, St. Louis, Indianapolis, as we showed you. Even the south side of Chicago got hit pretty hard with snow, and then right on up here into Michigan, getting the most snow now, at least northern Michigan. And then the blizzard conditions as the cold air is rushing in behind that system. Then there's a dry slot in between here up through the Ohio Valley and right up toward the Buffalo area, and then east of that along the area. Snow hasn't gotten into Boston yet, but it's only a couple of hours away at the very least. Some light snow up around Albany, but the snow's kind of tapered off a little bit here in central PA. We're going to have to redo this map, I think. And then as you head farther south of D.C. and Salisbury, it is all rain showers generally along the coast here. You can see how things are starting to thin out through central PA. The most I saw there was about 3 inches at Allentown, about 2 inches as you headed on back down toward Harrisburg. Mostly snow, a little bit of sleet thrown in there too, enough to make it kind of messy for traveling here, and that is now starting to spread over much of the southeast. A little bit of rain trying to hang on here. The worst of that down in Florida.